Konnichiwa. Hello, my name is Mayumi Wright. I'm your host for Taste Prep. Each show, I will walk you through some of my favorite recipes that I know you will enjoy. If you love food as much as I do, you will want to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Konnichiwa. Welcome to Taste Prep. Today we're making Shoyu Ramen. This is what you need for making Shoyu Ramen. This is for serving for two. You will need 2 packages of fresh ramen noodles. If you can't find them, you can always use the instant ramen noodle packet. Half onion, thinly sliced. 1 bok choy. 2 shiitake mushrooms, thinly sliced. 2 boiled eggs. And 6 frozen shrimps, thawed out, or more as desired. For the broth, 4 cups of water. 1 tablespoon of ginger. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Half teaspoon of salt. And pepper as needed. A lot of people like ramen, but did you know that you can make it in your own kitchen? It's very easy to do. I'll show you how. Today we'll start with sesame oil heated in the pan. Now I'm going to add ginger and keep the heat low and simmer. So it'll be a couple minutes. Now that ginger and sesame oils are simmering, I'm going to add onion and mushrooms. And we'll let it cook until onions are brown. So again, it'll be a couple minutes. Now it looks like onions and mushrooms are nicely brown. It's time to add 4 cups of water and let it boil. Okay, I'm gonna turn the heat up and put a top on. Now once it starts boiling, if you are using the instant noodle, you can add the noodle in there and also add any other ingredients that you would like to add. I'm using this ramen noodle that I bought from the Asian market, and I'm doing what the instruction says, cook for 2 minutes and drain. So that's what I'm going to do on the side while it's boiling. I'm cooking my ramen noodles. A timer is set for 2 minutes. And I use my chopsticks to make sure they're not sticking together. 2 minutes come really fast, so you need to stay here. And then when the timer goes off, I'm going to use my strainer to scoop it off. You don't need to rinse with cold water. Just keep it as is. Now the broth is simmering hot. I'm going to add bok choy and shrimps. Once they're done, I'm going to season it with soy sauce and salt. So we'll be back. Okay, looks like bok choy and shrimps are cooked. I'm going to add soy sauce and salt to season the soup. You always want to taste it. And add more seasoning as needed if you feel that it's too weak. I think it's ready. Now at this point, if you're using the instant ramen noodle, please add them. I just cooked the ramen noodle and it's in a bowl. So I'm going to pour the soup and shrimp and bok choy in the bowl. Maybe a little more soup. I'm adding the egg. Half-boiled egg, but if you like a hard boil, please cook to where it's hard. There you go. And if you like, you can always add pepper as needed. Now that's how you make shoyu ramen from scratch. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. さよなら。